Doubling your squat max can actually make you slower if your nervous system doesn't know how to apply that force in 250 milliseconds. Most runners treat strength training like a magic pill. They assume adding horsepower in the gym automatically upgrades the transmission on the road. It doesn't work that way. This is the transfer of training deficit. A heavy squat is a high-force, low-velocity movement. Running is a moderate-force, high-velocity ballistic action. The mismatch lies in ground contact time. In the gym, you have seconds to generate force. On the run, you have milliseconds. If you can't express strength quickly, it's dead weight. We quantify this using rate of force development, RFD. You don't need maximum strength. You need explosive strength applied within the specific window of the gait cycle. Strength is merely general potential. It provides the raw structural capacity to handle load. But raw capacity requires a neurological bridge to become usable speed. Without that bridge, excessive heavy lifting can actually teach your nervous system to fire slower. You become strong, stable, and biomechanically inefficient. To fix this, we use a transfer hierarchy. We must convert raw general strength into specific skill through plyometrics and drills that mimic running vectors. Vector specificity is critical here. Squats are vertical. Running combines vertical support with horizontal propulsion. Your gym work must eventually challenge stability in the sagittal plane. Plyometrics act as the transmission. They teach the tendon to behave like a stiff spring, utilizing the muscle strength you built to store and release elastic energy efficiently. Timing also dictates transfer. High-load strength training induces fatigue that blunts fine motor learning. Never perform heavy leg sessions immediately before technical speed work. Finally, respect the interference effect. Molecular signaling for endurance adaptations can conflict with explosive power signaling if programmed poorly within the same 24-hour window. Evaluate your strength routine. If your squat is going up but your ground contact time isn't going down, you aren't building speed. You're just bodybuilding. Build the capacity, then teach the skill to use it.